I am making a new commitment today, and that is, and I'd like you to join me on it, and that is to show more work, more often, in more places. It's a pretty good commitment, but there's no specifics to it. And so, in order to kick it off, I thought that I would do something specific. And that is that I'm going to show 30 slideshows in 30 days. And I'm not just going to take old slideshows and put them back out there. I'm actually going to make one slideshow a day for the next 30 days of my work. Now, it could either be a portfolio slideshow, it could be a slideshow of something that I'm doing currently, it could be special projects, or it could be even marketing videos, but I'm going to make a video every day for the next 30 days. And to help me do that, I've just signed up for Triple Scoop Music's licensing subscription program, which is awesome because now instead of buying one song at a time as needed, which can get rather expensive, especially if you're gonna do one song every day for 30 days. That's a lot of music. So with the subscription plan, instead of buying it one at a time, I'm simply allowed to use any music on their service. That's thousands and thousands of songs, and I can download any song I want and use it on any program I want, anytime. Now, in order to make these slideshows and projects, I'm going to be using several different tools. I'll be using Adobe Clip and Adobe Premiere. I'll be using Smart Slides, which is an online service that allows for 4K videos, which is really incredible, and also Animoto. And Animoto allows for a variety of different types of slideshows, as well as marketing videos with messaging and things like that. So over the next 30 days, I'm not only going to try to entertain you with photos and music, but I'm also going to be teaching you how to use certain tools that will speed that process along, because a slideshow a day, that's a pretty tall order. That's a lot of time out of your month to make all of those slideshows. But if you use the right tools, you will be able to speed through that process and we'll get it done really fast. So join me here, same time, same place, every single day for a new slideshow and some education in the process. Now I gotta get busy.